Have you ever noticed that school teaches us to fear mistakes? But in the real world, mistakes are how we grow. So why does our education system punish the very thing that leads to success? It feels like so much of our education system is purely abstract, just theories, formulas, and memorization. But real learning isn't just intellectual, it's emotional. And what does the school do? It punishes you for making mistakes. How stupid is that? No wonder so many people hesitate and ask, but what if I make a mistake? Well, here's the short answer. You'll get smarter. Think about it. A baby doesn't learn to walk without falling down. But imagine if every time a baby tried to stand up and fell, a teacher scolded them, "You stupid kid, you'll never walk." That baby would never try again. Yet this is exactly what happens in school. Some people, especially those who excel academically, are so afraid of failure that they never take risks. They say investing is too risky. But here's the truth. Risk isn't just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical. The key to success isn't avoiding mistakes. It's learning from them.